What's up guys, it's Chris with Globus Gates. We just finished this wonderful installation. If you're looking to get yourself a nice looking vinyl fence with aluminum frame and aluminum post, black color, just like this one, give us a call, we can help you out with that. So what we provide is a nice looking designs, black on white. It's not your regular vinyl fencing, old-fashioned vinyl fencing when we have like vinyl boards going up and down. We make it a nice modern designs. We can do fencing, we can do gates. And let me show you that humongous sliding gate we just built for this project. Follow me. So what we can do with the aluminum framing, when we put the vinyl inside, you can actually get the gates in different sizes, up to 20, 25, whatever size you like. We got strong aluminum framing here. It's a heavy duty aluminum, structural grade. We got motor, LiftMaster motor, super reliable motor. Actually, the best motor on the market you can find, the best company is LiftMaster, you already know. Got a safety sensors here, photo eye sensors. Everything is up to code. The gate here gives you just enough privacy. This is like 6.5, 7 feet tall gate right here. So why you should get aluminum framing with a vinyl inside? First of all, it's pretty affordable to get vinyl with aluminum framing. And second of all, the major issue with a vinyl project, with a gate specifically, you cannot do a large swing gates or large sliding gates just like this one. This gate is about 20 feet wide. You can get any sizes you like with because of aluminum frame, and that's a structural aluminum, by the way. We can hook it up with a motor. Of course, we use the best motors, LiftMaster motors. It's a US brand. They're super reliable and give very big warranty, very long warranty, I should say, for the motors. And then here we have nice looking fence continuation, so all the lines of the vinyl, they are matching with the sliding gate. And actually, I'll show you the walking gate, or I should say pedestrian gates for this project. You will be in shock how good it looks. Just in general, this job is just done fantastic. It gives you just enough privacy for the backyard. This fence is actually about 7 feet tall. We're located right now in the back alley, so nobody can just easily hop it over or look inside of your backyard. Let me show you the pedestrian gate we can do for your project as well. So that's the pedestrian gate I was talking about. We got aluminum framing all the way around, as you can see, top, bottom, left and right, and we can do any lock you like on the vinyl gate, which sounds insane. Normal vinyl gates, the only lock you can do is just this stupid latch, but nobody wants that because it's not secure. Anybody can just reach over and open it. In this case, I should say, we can do any lock you like, because in aluminum we do a standard size hole. Whatever lock you give us, we can put in your gates. And just a finishing touch, let me show you a small privacy extension on the existing wall for this exact same project. So if you got existing walls in your house, you can actually extend it by adding the same material, either alu vinyl. We call this series alu vinyl because it's aluminum posts and vinyl inserts inside, or you can use our all aluminum series, alu 40, alu 60, alu 20, the design of your pick. Just in general, if you have a wall, it's pretty short. This wall is actually about 4.5 feet high. We can extend it just to give you that extra amount of privacy you need. And we don't use cheap, flimsy, import, old-fashioned stuff like vinyl with the vertical slats of vinyl. We do it the modern way, how everybody likes it nowadays. Horizontal slats with US made aluminum posts and aluminum framing. And that's how we do it in Globus Gates. We do it the right way. We do it the USA way.